Lindsay Shields, and I'm the chapter director for New York Thespians. Welcome to Festival 2019, where middle school and high school students from across New York State gather for a weekend of theater and fun. All our participants get to take part in a variety of workshops, including acting, technical theater, and dance. This year, we have two special speakers. The first is Jared Zarilli, renowned Broadway and off-Broadway and film and television actor. Please look him up on IMDb. Our other speaker is Mark Armstrong, CEO of the 24-Hour Plays. Participants also have the opportunity to enter into individual events. These include acting, musical theater, and technical theater. For the acting and musical theater categories, they can perform solo, duet, or group. In technical theater, they can do lights, set, sound, costumes, or stage management. Publicity is also a category. There are 3 adjudicators in each room. All participants receive written feedback that they get at the end of the festival. For those students who receive the highest ratings, they might be asked to participate in Critics' Choice, where they get to perform in front of the entire delegation. Here are some highlights from last year's festival.
I'm the son of the morning shark. I'm the snake in the grass. And this Christmas, I've come for your soul.
Hey, castle builder, want the moon, nothing less. Work for years, then overnight success.
Sincerely, miss you dearly. Sincerely me.
This year, Tech Challenge is very different than previous years. This year, teams of 5 will compete from their school. This way, teams can practice before attending the event. All of the guidelines are available on the website. This year, there are 5 categories: light hang and focus, leg a platform, spike a stage, set a prop table, and costume quick change. This year, we're hosting an annual one-act festival. Your school can bring up to 2 productions, 5 to 45 minutes long. There will be adjudicators at every performance, so you receive written feedback and the opportunity to win trophies and awards. Categories include student-written productions, scripted productions, and musical productions. This year, we're looking for some dynamic students to become state Thespian officers. These students help plan the festival, participate in leadership training, and have the opportunity to represent their corner of New York State. We're looking for students from all over. Though interviews will take place during festival, STO will not be revealed until later. That way, students will have an opportunity to do a follow-up interview or answer some additional questions. Every year, we give out several scholarships to deserving seniors. Some are performance and technical portfolio based, and one is based on an essay question. These are available on our website. In addition, this year, we have a song contest. We need a New York State Thespian song. All the guidelines are available on the website, and there are some great prizes involved. This year, we have several vendors, colleges, and conservatories. So a shout out to the following colleges that will be represented at this year's festival: the American Academy of Dramatic Arts, Savannah College of Art and Design, Stella Adler Studio, the American Musical and Dramatic Academy, University of Albany, the New York Conservatory of Dramatic Arts, and the New York Film Academy. From all of us at New York Thespians, we look forward to having you at this year's festival. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out at the email address listed below. See you at Festival!